bark, Rachel?
Pretty kitty. She's so pretty. So soft. It's a kitty. Pretty kitty. Kitty, it's okay. It's okay, kitty. It's okay. Kitty, kitty, no. Kitty, I'm gonna name you Fluffy. Or Harold. Or Stefan. Or Alfred. I like my kitty.
Hip. 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 Actually stuck. Hip. Hip. Hippo. 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 Hip. Oh. 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 Relax. Oh. Stop hurting me. Stop hurting me. Okay, you can stop. I'm out. I'm out. Watch out. It's a chain. Are you putting this on Facebook? You should.
Knowing the geese, they probably will.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Good, you?
I'm good. Just a little stuck. Yep, I'm stuck. Do you guys want to help me out? Guys? Hey, dude. Dude, you want to help me out here? Help. Help. Can you please help me? Help. At least all you can do is help me. Help. Help out. Help. Something bad rated. Alright. We should have stayed at the park. And this way I wouldn't be stuck in this tree. I'd be stuck inside of a baseball game. Help!
I think we should go into the bleachers again.
Yeah,
That'd be
bleachers.
fun.
And do stuff.
Rachel, you should come with next time.
Can you help me out here?
It's fun.
Yeah. Timothy, don't you fall on me!